Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also unbox two products. Number one is Cooleme latest little mini box, model number CM-MH1. Also comes with a i8 Plus. So we're going to unbox first the Cooleme, and you can see it that it is nice and blue going around. It has some markings there, but once you take it out, the components that are part of it is the actual unit. Also comes with a HDMI cable, which is 2.0. Also comes with a power adapter, which is created for Canada and United States, and you can see it's very small. It is 5 volt 2 amps. Also comes with an IR remote, and you can see it that it is just basic functions there, but in order to use this, we really recommend for you to get a air mouse remote. This way it will work a lot better. We're going to put that aside too. Also comes with a little user manual. The user manual just talks about how you can connect it, and that's about it. Going to the next product, which is the i8 Plus. This is a crazy looking remote. It is ergonomically really nicely created, so once you open it up and when you go through it, it just comes with a little wire so you can charge it, and the remote itself looks really nice and unique. You can see from the top that it has all the functions that you require. On the right side and also on the left side you have the play and pause, and on the right hand side you have the OK and also navigation keys around it. You do have the touchpad right in the middle, so this way you can touch and you can select certain things that if you like on the screen, and you have the full keyboard with the F functions there, so this will work on your Windows too. Looking in the bottom part of it, it's a full key setup. Again, this is Kodi key. You can see that it has the numbers there too, and also the letters in the bottom. You do have a function key, and we will show that in a few seconds. And you can see that you do have the right click and left click on each side of it. And if you look on the top, you have orange buttons. Now those are also right click and left click. And if you look a little bit closely on the top, you do have the power on and off, and also you have the little charger so you can charge it up. Flip it upside down. You can see it has a nice looking little cuts on the side. It is all plastic, by the way, and you can see that when you open the back, that's where your dongle is going to be hidden. So you need that, and also you need to connect that to your box. Again, it comes with a about 10% battery charged already, but you can charge it up. But once you stop using it, you can turn it off. This way, this remote will last you way longer than any other remotes. Another good thing about this is a lot of people likes to have those gaming keyboards on their desk. Now you can use this the same way. Why? It has backlit. You can use the function key and the F2, so you can change your backlit colors, as you can see right now on the screen. So this is a really cool thing. And also we're going to use this on this video. Alright, so we're going to put the remote aside. Again, it is a beautiful remote and it is inexpensive. So going through the box itself, you can see right from the top you have the nice looking logo right on it. It is very small box, by the way. Going on the front, you have nothing but a little hole that is for your IR indicator. Going on right side of it, you have SD card slot. Right beside that you have the USB 3.0, and then you have a USB 2.0. Going in the back part of it is where you're going to find the AV connection, so you can connect it to older type of TVs. We do not recommend that. Right beside that you have a gigabit LAN. Then you have the HDMI 2.0A, and then you have the 5 volt DC connection. Going on the other side of it, there's nothing, and once you flip it upside down is where you're going to see some little holes for ventilation, and it has a little rubber on the top and the bottom, so this way it can sit properly on a flat surface. We're going to connect this. Alright, so as soon as it goes in, this is the first screen you're going to see. So they have a really calm launcher, and again you can see that the colors are just nicely blended in to the design of this. And this is not any other launcher, so they have taken their time to put everything together. It is really modern launcher. So you can see that you do have the Cooleme TV Center, which is going to be their Kodi, and also you have the Netflix, YouTube, Google Chrome, which is really required. Also you have the Google Play Store and all apps. So when you click on it, you can go and you can see all the apps inside. And going on the right side, you do have the date and time. You do have the weather, and also if anything running in the background, you can click on it and you can get rid of it, which is again really nicely designed. Going on the bottom part of it is you're going to see the settings. So you can click on it and you can see that this is OS 7.1.2, which is awesome. And again, that's where you're going to go to set up your Wi-Fi and the rest. And you do have some parts, so you can set up a launcher, or should I say the shortcuts, and you can get rid of some, or you can just add more. So right now we're just going to remove this YouTube and we're going to add this one. Alright, so we will get out of it. And that's how easy it is to fix it. You do have the power. As soon as you click, it just shuts off. Then you do have to power back on using the actual power connection at the back of your box. Right beside it, you do have the volume. So you can bring up volume or bring down. And you can fix the notifications and everything right from here. So you can grab it and you can bring it all the way to the back. The next thing is the little icons in the bottom, which says Wi-Fi and also says Bluetooth, and also shows that if your USB is connected or not, and it will show you if you're connected via LAN connection or Wi-Fi. Right now the one that is highlighted is the LAN connection, and you do have the Cooleme logo right in the bottom of the screen. Alright, so let's go through some benchmarking. Now we try to go under Antutu and it keeps failing. So we're not going to use that. We're going to jump into Geekbench. So the first thing you can see that it is ARM, and it says that it's a Rockchip RK3328. It is running Android 7.1.2. And once we go under benchmark and under history, which we already done, you can see under the single core we got 543, but under multi-core we got 1444. And if we go down a little bit, you can see that it is running 4 GB of RAM. So again, it is not on a top-notch numbers, but it is okay for this box for the meantime. We're going to go to the next app, which will be the speed test. Now under speed test, the first thing that we have done is the Wi-Fi single band, which is 2.4. You can see that we got 55.3, and for the upload we got 22.3. I want to let you guys know that where we are today, we have 500 megabit download and 20 megabit upload. So that's why you're going to see these two of them, that is 56 and also 55 for download, is under single band. So it should be under 100 megabits, which is good. Now when we went under 5G network, which is dual band Wi-Fi, we got 125 for the first time, and we got 21.9 for the upload, which it looks really good. And then for the second time we got 143, which is again really good number for the dual band Wi-Fi. Going on the LAN connection, now this is a gigabit LAN on this. We got an awesome number of 464 and then 22 megabit upload. And when we did it for the second time, we got 469 megabit download and 21.9 for the upload. Again, they have done their homework when it connects to the internet using this unit, and it works like charm. So this is a plus sign for this box itself. We will get out of that too. The next thing we have done is the 3D mark. Now under 3D mark, you can see that there are some little ups and downs to it, but again, overall mark that we got out of this is 2186, which is a really good number for this box running 3D. For the meantime, we will get out of this too. And the next thing we have done is YouTube. So when you go in, and this is their TV version of the app, and what we have also done, going in here and we're going to type 4K. And we're just going to select one of them, and we're just waiting for it to come up. And once it comes up, we're going to go under quality, and this is where you're going to see that what is the maximum resolution on the app that they have provided for this box, and it is the YouTube HD. The maximum resolution we got was 1080p, so we cannot go higher than that with the app that they have provided for us. And we will get out of that too. So the next thing we are going to play is going to be the Kodi that they have forked and made it compatible on this unit. So we're going to launch it, and we have some stock video that is running on our network, which we are running 10100 connection to this, and this is wired, by the way. So we're going to go to it and we're going to play 4K video first. And you did see that at first it had a little stop and then it started playing it. Again, it plays it really nicely. Now there's no indication that there's a buffering going on, but at first it did. So we will get out of this too, and we will go into 1080p video and we're going to check it out. So yes, you can see it that it is automatically start playing, and you can see the buffer is proper and the video is running nicely and the sound is accurate too, right on a point, so there's no delay to this. Again, we are using our own video and we will get out of that too. So again, overall, this is a really good box. Don't get me wrong, this has beautiful things to it. And on top of that, what we also did is we went through the Netflix itself, and you can see that on the quality that they have provided, we can go inside of apps, and I know that a lot of you guys like this. that we're going to cover it for you too is they have their own app market. When you go to it, it will tell you to download the latest Netflix. So we can click on it, and this is the latest that they have available, which is 4.13.3. When you download it and when you're playing videos, you're not going to get anything over standard definition, which is 480p. And again, that is a square and is going to be stretched. So yes, you will lose some quality. But again, on a naked eye, it looks really good. It looks like 720p. Again, I want to stress to you guys, when you install this app itself, when you have issues and you're getting any error messages, we do have support for that, and we can help you out to resolve that. We are working on a video for that, will be coming up very shortly. Again, we do not want to forget to let you guys know that if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please do that. It really helps us out to grow in this community, and also we're going to provide you with a lot of good information, so this way you're going to get a proper info out. And no, we're not going to beat around the bush, and we're not going to lie to you. This box is good. They have really brought it down, so this is a budget box. But again, when you look at the RAM on this is 4 GB, has 16 GB internal storage. You won't go wrong purchasing this unit on top of the any other units that cost way more, and you're not going to have network problems. Since you saw that, we got really beautiful numbers out of it. On top of that, the remote, that part of this is one of the best. Right now it just came out, and it is a QWERTY keyboard. It has multiple compatibilities. You can use that remote. Doesn't matter if you're going to use it on Android, Mac, or Windows or Linux. It will work like crazy. You just need to hook up the little USB to it, and you're going to use it without any issues. If you do have tablets, this will work too. Doesn't matter if you have projector, laptop, it works really good. Again, the RF technology that they have used on that remote works like crazy too. And we do not want to forget that if you haven't liked this video, please go ahead, click the like button. It really helps us out, and it motivates us to bring more these type of videos to inform you, to educate you that what these boxes can bring on a table for you. Links will be available where you can order these two products from, and if you need more information, our website, which is xctex.info, links will be available in the bottom. At the meantime, thank you.